Okay, next we'll go through how to change the time period on a chart. Just before we do that, we'll just get rid of the market watch. So come back up to the top and just left click on the market watch button, and that will remove the market watch. So coming over to the top over here on the right side, we have the time period buttons. There's the monthly, weekly, daily, 4 hour, 1 hour, 30 minute, 15, 5 and 1 minute. Now currently the 15 minute one is selected. We're looking at the 15-minute chart of the Euro Japanese Yen. So to change the time period on the chart, you simply click on a different time period button. So I'm going to left click on the 4 hour button, and I'm now looking at the 4 hour chart. Okay, so that's how you can change the time period on a chart.